Hello, welcome to my new video. Today we will be learning how to set up Hadoop in Ubuntu. We will be using Ubuntu installed inside of EM. You can check how to do that in my previous videos. Let's begin. First, do a sudo update to make sure your libraries are updated. Next we will install Java on our machine, which is used by Hadoop for its operations. Use this command to check if Java is installed properly. Also check for Java C version. If you get proper versions, that means you are good to go. Next, we will install OpenSSH for passwordless connection between its nodes. To get this right, else later stages will become difficult. Using OpenSSH we will create RSA key. This public-private key pair will be used for connections. Now we will send our public key to Hadoop nodes, which for our case is localhost, meaning our same machine. Let's Google Hadoop 2.9 download. In this tutorial I will be installing Hadoop 2.9. You can download latest version of Hadoop and work with it. There might be few changes from now, so make sure if you are following different version, to check the official documentation for proper configuration. I will use wget command to download Hadoop zip file. So let's copy the link and move to terminal. You can press enter now. I have already downloaded the file. The file will be at the location where your terminal is currently opened in. Let's extract our file now. If you are using different version, your file name will change accordingly. Now we will move the extracted file to Hadoop directory inside /user /local /Hadoop. Sorry, we need to add sudo since we are trying to move to root folder. Now, let's edit permissions and ownership of Hadoop folder for smooth operations. Here hdmaster is the username into which I am currently working on. Now let's create the directories as given in configuration files. Now follow the file names and its content closely. You can get the content of each file from the link given below in description. If you are changing the content of configurations, make sure you know where else to change it accordingly. Use Ctrl+X to get exit prompt. Then type Y and press enter to save and exit Nano Editor. To learn in details of each file, you can get the link from description. Now we need to set some environment variable. We will use .bashrc for this. Make the changes as shown. You can also get the content from the link in my description. Let's save the edit. Using the above command, run any simple command like pwd. If you get command not found, then you did some mistake in your bashrc. Open that file manually by browsing and save and then source. Execute the commands as shown to set up master and slave host names. Now let's create the directories as given in configuration files. The files inside our directory has read-write access for root user. Let's open it for all. Finally, this is the Hadoop namenode format command. To have a look into the terminal outputs. If there is any error, you must verify that no configuration file is misconfigured. If you can't figure out, let me know in comments your error. One more file is required to be changed. Let's do it. Follow the steps nicely since it involves path of Java as per your system. Time to start Hadoop. You should also get similar output. If not, some possible error in config file. If you want to know how to solve startup error using logs, let me know, I will make a video for that also. Open this URL in your browser or access Hadoop using GUI. Execute this to stop Hadoop. If this video helped you, do subscribe the channel. It motivates me more. Thank you. For any problem, refer the link in description or comment below.